Alright guys, let's get started. You see this sell signal here that showed up at 9:35 today? Alright. Now if you are a serious active day trader, or at the very least if you take trading seriously and you want to do this as a career for the rest of your life, then I have a trend trading indicator that's going to blow your mind. Then I'm convinced that you are going to transform your trading technical analysis skills within one day. That's real talk. All right, so let's get into it. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're a long-term customer and or subscriber, then you know I appreciate your support. And what you're seeing on the screen right now is an indicator that can be deployed on any asset class, whether you trade Forex, whether you trade futures or stocks and options. This indicator will work. Okay, this indicator can be deployed on any of your favorite symbols. Now, what is it and how does it work? All right, well, first, visually speaking, okay, the indicator is essentially a graphical color band that gets overlaid onto the chart. All right, and that's what this green and red color band is. The name of this indicator is our proprietary volume indicator, and this indicator has one job and only one job every single day. All right, it's designed to tell you at any moment in time who is in control of the market, right? If it's red, it tells you that the sellers are in control and there's a better chance than not of the market selling off. And when it turns green, as it did a little bit later in the session, it tells you that the buyers are now in control at this moment in time. You should be aware of this information and that there's a better chance than not of the market going up. Does that make sense, guys and gals? All right, I think it's pretty straightforward. You don't exactly need a degree in applied mathematics or physics to be able to use this indicator. It's simply green and red. Follow the trend. Follow the large traders, the institutions, because guess what? It's the large traders that create these magnificent, beautiful trends in both directions, right? Like we saw today. Beautiful sell-off, nice downtrend followed by a gorgeous rally, aka uptrend, right? Folks, these trends and these moves are happening on a daily basis on almost every symbol. And if you don't have a trend-based indicator or tool in your trading toolbox, then boy, are you doing yourself a disservice, a huge disservice, okay? Now watch, I'm going to show you the most powerful pattern of all time when it comes to trading these color bands. All right, and if you're an active client or you've seen my videos before, then what I'm going to show you now is not new, okay? Because I've got tons of active clients who are using this software and they are actively looking and spotting and identifying this pattern right here that I'm about to show you, okay? Now this pattern is known as retracements, okay? There are three legs to any retracement on any symbol, any asset class. They all look exactly the same, all right? Here goes. Leg number one establishes the direction. That's this first part of the move. Leg number two is the market coming up and giving you a retracement, aka pullback. This is the best opportunity to look for a very good fill or execution on your trade. And leg number three is the market moving in your favored direction. Does that make sense, guys and gals? All right, now I'm going to tell you why I'm so excited to show you this very rare retracement pattern that showed up today at exactly 9:35 a.m. We basically got a perfect retracement pattern that is actually more powerful than any other retracement pattern I've seen. What do I mean by that? Well, can you see how this retracement pattern culminated and ended at the exact same time the color band also turned red? You understand what I'm saying? Typically, a retracement pattern, especially for all you guys who are actively using the software, you know what I'm about to say. Typically, the color band will turn red first, and then we get the retracement. As an example, I'm going to show you a beautiful textbook from the previous day. All right, here's basically the exact same setup, okay? A beautiful sell signal from the previous day, and this is what I'm talking about, right? The color band changes from green to red first, then establishes some downturn movement, and then gives you the retracement a little bit later. This right here is a perfect, what I call textbook retracement. However, look at the difference on the sell signal that showed up today, okay? Not only did the color band turn, but we got a retracement bar on the color band turn. Right? Are you guys seeing this? Did you guys catch this today? Because this right here, where the retracement pattern shows up on the same bar as the vol color band turn, my goodness, guys and gals, this right here is the most powerful retracement pattern of all time. And I might even dare to say that this pattern here is probably 10 times more powerful than this regular retracement pattern, which is already a very good pattern and potential setup, right? This setup over here happens, I think, on almost a daily basis, but this one, man, this one is rare. When it shows up like this, boy, do you gotta jump on it. You understand what I'm saying? And look, guys and gals, you gotta be fast to take profits these days. These markets are a day trader's dream. They're moving so fast. They're giving us tremendous profit potential opportunities on almost a daily basis. And if you were going to try to quantify this potential move, then from this moment in time where we got the sell signal to possibly the session low of the day, all right, this was about 200 ticks or pips if you follow along in Forex. Now that is not a small number. People kill for 200 ticks a month, all right? And we got that in a single day. Heck, we got that in 90 minutes, not even the whole day. Now, if you were going to do basic math on this, all right, 200 ticks times $12.50 per tick, which is the tick value here on the S&P 500, right? Just do the math. That's over $2,000 potential, okay, on just one contract. All right. I'm not even talking about my heavyweight customers who are trading 2 contracts or 4 contracts at a time. I'm just talking one lousy contract. Now listen, you can't expect to grab the entire length of this move, right? A smart way to play it would be, assuming you had your stop loss up here whenever you open this short trade, a smart way to play it is just to move your stop loss and try to lock in profits as the market moves in your favor. And how I do it is by using these long tail wicks, right? So when this bar over here completes, I would want to move my stop down, locking in some gains, and I'm going to move it 1 tick or pip above this long tail bar. And then the next one, right, shows up over here. So I'm then going to move my stop loss 1 tick or 1 pip above this bar. And I eventually get taken out at a really nice profit right over here, which I'm glad, because wouldn't you know it, the market turned green just a few moments later. And if you failed to take profits quickly, the market basically went right back to where it was, probably stopping you out. And if you were too lazy or if you were too greedy, then you turned what would have been a massive winning trade, right, into a losing trade because you just didn't know any better. All right. So yeah, guys and gals, I want to say a big congratulations and shout out to all of my people who successfully caught this trade. I've been warning you on a daily basis that these markets are on fire. This is a day trader's dream. Shame on you if you're still sitting on the sidelines fumbling and bumbling around, because if you're a serious trader or an active trader and you want to transform your technical analysis, or at the very least you want to get your charts to display like this, then you don't have any choice except to get involved. Because guys and gals, in my humble opinion, this chart display right here is how you win at the trading game.